First harvest our sponge gourd or tori, patola. Yan. Oh. Free, free ulam, free viand. Mm. Mm. Four. Was enough no because small no other one. So for patola and then many coming here, mashallah. Oh, you see the flowers. Oh, ayan. What happened this one? Kya? Ayan oh. Oh.
keep there, eh?
That's remove no. Remove no tayo make ano no. You can see our grilly, our ampalaya.
It's kind of natural.
Ah,
A very old kind of seed.
yeah no. This is pumpkin shape. Tomato. Ayan na yung aking ampalaya. Meron lang parating, oo.
I go there inside because there is you cannot.
Ayan o. Ayan ang ampalaya. Hindi makita. Ayan o. Oh. Down, no? Mm. You see this sunflower there? Too much flowers, no? Oh, mashallah plus sunflower. Ayun, tomato, oh. Oh, there tomato. Here tomato there. Wait, I get. Ayan, oh. I give you it. First, I get this one. Mm. I keep here. They're inside. Oh, mashallah too much there na inside. Yun, sa ilalim, sa loob-loob. Oh. Inside, down. Very cute, huh? Tomatoes, mashallah, too much coming. Yan, oh. This one also. Now we are free na for tomatoes. No need to buy na. We will not buy now tomatoes. And also some vegetables. Green chilies. Eggplant. And also after 10 days, this vegetable you plant here, Dara, coming, no? It's already come out here. This one. Yeah. This one, no? And also over there also we plant also some vegetables. This is Chinese pichay or gram. We'll get also some eggplants. You get also now some eggplants. Our corns, mashallah, very long. Ang tataas, oh. Still too much there inside. I cannot see you already there. Eh? Huh? Yeah, no. Is there. My husband is there under the tree of tomatoes. Here. Now here it's clean here. Mashallah to. Eggplant also you get already. Our gas cylinder must be also. Ayan o, daming nakuha. Dito lang sa aming halaman. Ayan, cucumber. You get also cucumber that? Too much flowers of cucumber. Ayan o. Ayan o. Cucumber. Ayan. Where you want to get cucumber here? Here also. Ayan o. There is one inside no here. I don't know where is that one. Big. Huh?
That I give you it.
There is big no there. Where is another one big there? Nice. Eh?
There is one more big one, but maybe
Huh?
somebody get there is.
Where?
I got one today now.
Eh?
Morning.
Ayan. That big one you get already? Oh, wow. Mashallah. Ayan, dito na ako sa taas. Ito yung aking na-harvest namin nilakay sa baba. Namalingki kami sa baba nilakay. Isang tokri, isang basket. Oh. Ayan. Andito na si Bakit Aisha. Lola Aisha. Oh. These are all we get today, fresh from our field. So, let's check. Ibuhos natin. Ayan, oh. Cherry tomatoes. And then, 4 pieces of sponge guard. Bagong, first na harvest namin itong patola. And then, talong. Many times na itong, talong na, nag-harvest kami. Ayan. And then, also this green chilies. Meron ng red. And cucumber. Kaming, nag-harvest ng cucumbers. So, alhamdulillah, free na kami ng kamatis. No need to buy from bazaar. And also this sponge guard o kaya tori, patola, and eggplants. And also this green chilies and cucumber. So, these are all fresh from our garden. Pag may masipag ka talaga magtanim-tanim, and then when there is time to harvest, may maaani ka talaga. So now we are after 1 day, 2 days, we are harvesting these tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and also these eggplants, cucumbers. Alhamdulillah. Ayan, mashallah. Fresh from our garden again, eggplants, cherry tomatoes, green chilies or bell pepper, sponge guard, tori or patola, and cucumbers. Organic vegetables. Alhamdulillah.